Welcome to this 20 minutes Yoga Nidra practice. This is designed specifically for busy professionals, offering a way to reset and recharge during your day. Now take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Whether you're lying down on a mat or seated in a supportive chair. Let your body melt into the surface beneath you, feeling supported and relaxed. Begin by releasing any tension from your muscles, letting go of the day's activities, and allowing your mind to soften. Now shift your focus to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of inhales and exhales. No need to change anything. Simply observe. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen as you breathe. Begin to deepen your breath slightly. As you inhale, feel the air filling your body with calm energy. As you exhale, let go of any tension or fatigue. Repeat a few rounds of deep breath. Allow your body to further relax. Now gently bring your attention to your body. Begin by noticing your right foot. What sensations do you feel there? Perhaps warmth, coolness, heaviness, or lightness. Allow yourself to observe without judgment. Slowly move your awareness up your right leg from your ankle, calf, knee, thigh, and hip, releasing any tension as you go. Now focus your feeling on your left foot. See if you can observe any sensations there. And slowly bring this awareness up through your left leg, from your ankle, calf, knee, thigh, and hip. Allow all the tensions to go, where awareness moving through your left leg. Now bring your awareness further up to your pelvis, lower back, abdomen. Feel your belly rise and fall with each breath, inviting the feeling of relaxation into those areas. Now gently move your awareness up through your torso, noticing your chest and your back. Let your breath soften any tension you might be holding there. Become aware of your right arm. Start from your right hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm. Allow each part to relax deeply. Now repeat with your left arm. From your left hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm. Letting go of any heaviness or tightness. Now pay attention to your shoulders, going up through your neck, head, and your face. Soften your jaw. Relax your eyes. Loosen your tongue. And release any tension that your face and your head is holding on to. Now I invite you to imagine yourself in a place of peace and rejuvenation. This could be a beach, a beautiful forest, a mountaintop, any place where you feel completely at ease. Visualize the details of this place, the colors, the sounds, the fresh smells in the air. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this place. Feel yourself sink deeper into relaxation, letting go of any remaining stress or fatigue. Now imagine a warm golden light surrounding your entire body. This light brings pure, revitalizing energy. See this light filling you with renewed energy, strength, and focus. With each breath, you are recharging your mind and body, filling yourself with the energy from this light that will fuel your day. As you breathe deeply, bring to mind an intention for the rest of your day. What do you want to achieve? How do you want to show up? State this intention clearly to yourself, as though it's already happening. Allow this intention to align with your newfound energy. Now, start to focus on the sensation of relaxation and recovery again. Feel your body is recharged and relaxed, leaving behind any sense of exhaustion and tiredness. Now gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Pause. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale through your nose. Pause. And slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale through your nose. Pause. And slowly exhale through your mouth. Now repeat this for a few more rounds. With each breath, feel your body is sinking deeper into the surface beneath you. Feel the connection and touch point between your body and the ground. Imagine roots growing out from your body and spread deep into the ground. Allow those roots to go deeper with every breath. Every inhale, going deeper. Every exhale, feel the energy is drawing from the Mother Earth and filling into your body. With this sense of groundness and support from the ground, feel those energy that you're drawing flowing into your heart at the center of your chest. Feel the warmth and compassion. Hold this feeling for a few seconds. And send yourself gratitude to take the time to nurture your body and mind, to recharge and rejuvenate in your busy day. Now when you're ready, gently start to move your fingers and toes, allowing your body to come back to the physical surrounding bit by bit. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Stretch if your body feels like it. Make a sigh if it makes you feel good. Just take your time to slowly come back to the present moment. May you carry this renewed energy and focus with you as you move throughout the rest of your day, feeling recharged and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Thank you for practicing with me today. If you like this content, it would mean a world to me if you subscribe, share, and leave a comment and let me know what would you like to see the most. Thank you. Until next time.